Hello and welcome back to another episode of Put to Practice Cooking. Today is going to be our first part of our kind of three-part cooking series for our Cooking with Chaos. Today is going to be our baked chicken thighs. Definitely going to be interesting. It does say you can use whatever dry seasoning or spice rub you want, so normally just calls for just some salt and pepper and call it a day. But we're going to be using some of our smoked paprika salt that we use for our twice baked sweet potatoes, as well as some pepper. So should be pretty good. And also down below, you'll see a link to our creamy peanut sauce that we're going to be combining with this. I've already kind of preemptively did that, so I gotta say, pretty good. I'm really excited to see if it's going to add to the chicken or not, but let's go ahead and get this thing started. All right, so we are ready for our chicken. Before we get doing this, make sure your oven's baked to 450 degrees. So we're gonna do that. So now what we're gonna do is put our oil and spice mix into this. Hold on, sorry. I guess it kind of stuck, so I just mixed the oil and the spices together. That's what you're supposed to do. So I am going to pour this right in there. What we'll hope will happen is that I'm going to put a plate on it. We're going to treat these as if these are wings, and then shake them around. If not, then I will have to maybe put a bit more. Kind of a funky thing, but hopefully this will work. All right, so there we go. So that is going to be our chicken. Next thing we're going to do is put it in on our skillet, and then for about get ready to cook it. So I'll see you in a second after I clean up. All right, so we are back. So got this brand new cast iron skillet we're going to break in today using it. I did already pre-season it. Definitely, hey, if you ever get a cast iron skillet, and that pre-seasoning thing is definitely no joke. My house smelled up like a storm when I was doing it. But anyway, so now we're just going to put this in, and then we're going to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes for each side until they're golden brown. Then we're going to be putting it on this tinfoil lined baking tray, and then we're going to be able to put it in the oven. It's already preheating, so hopefully by the time we're done cooking, it should be already all ready to be just throw right in. So let's get started. All right, so here's our chicken. So we're just going to put this straight into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until it gets to 175 Fahrenheit inside. You know, we got our meat thermometer. You can always do that to verify. But let's go ahead and get this going. See you in a sec. All right, so we are back. The bigger thighs did take a little extra time, so I did have to put them in a couple more minutes. But I personally think that turned out really well in my opinion. So I got 2 pieces ready. So this is going to be the one without the peanut sauce. Really nice and flavorful. Definitely, I think I might have put a little bit too much of the paprika, getting a little bit more spice than I was expecting. But now, so I don't ruin the entire sauce, just pour some right here on the chicken. So we're going to try that with it. Yeah, that's definitely a weird combo, but it works. You never think peanut butter and chicken would be really good, but definitely is. So I call both the chicken and the sauce a win. So see the last one, the tofu. Just follow the link down below. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Hope your chicken and your sauce turned out as good as mine. Thank you.